Hello there, in this project we are going to interface Raspberry Pi Pico with ultrasonic sensor HC SR04 as an input device, and for an output, we are going to use 16 by 2 I2C LCD. HC SR04 ultrasonic sensor is a 4-pin module, whose pin names are VCC, trigger, echo and ground respectively. This sensor is a very popular sensor used in many applications where measuring distance or sensing objects are required. The module has two eyes-like projects in the front which forms the ultrasonic transmitter and receiver. The sensor works with the simple high school formula that distance equals speed multiplied by time. The ultrasonic transmitter transmits an ultrasonic wave. This wave travels in air, and when it gets objected by any material it gets reflected back toward the sensor. This reflected wave is observed by the ultrasonic receiver module. Trigger pin is an input pin. This pin has to be kept high for 10S to initialize measurement by sending US wave. Echo pin is an output pin. This pin goes high for a period of time which will be equal to the time taken for the US wave to return. Sensor features operating voltage is positive 5V. Theoretical measuring distance is 2 cm to 400 cm. Practical measuring distance is 2 cm to 80 cm. Accuracy 3 mm. Measuring angle covered is 15 degrees. Connect the LCD to the Pico board. Make sure to connect the LCD's SDA and SCL pins to the Pico's corresponding SDA, that is pin 1, GPIO 0, and SCL pin, that is pin 2, GPIO 1, and also connect the LCD's VCC and GND pins to the Pico's VCC and GND pins. Install the necessary libraries. Depending on the programming language you are using, you may need to install a library that provides an I2C interface for the Pico board. For example, if you're using MicroPython, you can install the machine library, which includes I2C support. All the necessary files for project are given below, don't forget to check them.